guys, what's up? This is me, Jacob. We're back again with another video. Sorry, I was gonna post another video. It was about underrated football players, but I mean, that didn't work out too well. But anyways, guys, we're back again with another video, and today has to do with the Sierra. As you probably saw from the thumbnail, we're gonna be changing out these boring old headlights. I mean, a little bit of a change there in scenery, but I mean, we're over here now, and we're gonna be changing out these. We're gonna put in some brand new, nice looking ones. I mean, oh, okay. You got something to say about that? Oh man. I mean, we could try it that way. But I mean, we're gonna do that, and then we're also gonna go over onto the top. We're gonna knock down these little guys right here. We're gonna say bye-bye to both of these. So let's get that started. Alright guys, I almost forgot about one more thing. This actually kind of matters. Dad's a percussionist. He's making some good music. Alright, we gotta do this. Hold up. Can you hold this real quick? Right. Just hold, no, I'm really like point it here. No, other way. Gotta do the nice film takeoff. Oh! Alright, here we go, nice and shiny looking. Don't forget, the last step is getting a drink. All right, don't ask about why we have Aquafina, but that's what we got. And boom, there we go. Now we gotta put this all together. But first, let's talk about these. All right, guys, so I got these products off from carid.com, and they got like almost everything. You can find anything from truck parts to like trailer parts or anything. I mean, really. I got this third brake light. It's from Recon. It's I think it looks awesome, and they make pretty high tier stuff, so we'll see how it goes. My tail lights are from Spyder, and I won't forget for a second. And yeah, they look awesome. They're fiber optic LEDs. Same thing for the Recons, they're LEDs too, and they're gonna be looking awesome. And like usual, guys, we got the good old WD-40. Oh, don't get it on the tail lights. What are you doing? But anyways, guys, we got the good old WD-40 like usual. All right, WD-40, sponsor my dad. He wants it. He wants all of it. And just like that, we're gonna need to do that. And also, just like by our rules, we don't use the instructions because we didn't get any. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get started. And first off, we're gonna do the third brake light. And with this, you take up these two screws right here. So go ahead and do that. So there we go. We go boom and boom. Oh man, it's setting up by its own. My gosh, it's growing up. Alright guys, and then after a little bit of persuasion, take it off. There we go. Ooh, look at that. That's some little 2005 action right there. Hasn't even touched since then. There we go, there's the bulbs and everything. Oh man, this guy is old. Acrobat time.
It looks like you only have this one plug-in. I have no idea what this thing's for.
Yeah, I guess we'll see. I mean,
something's not gonna work.
Maybe. Uh-oh, might have run into a stump there. Yeah. So we got it off, boys, and as you can see, we got two different wires. This one just looks like it goes to nothing though.
3M adhesive. Thermal. Yeah, I don't know what that thing is. So it looks like you just plug it back in.
And we just plug this. Here, you want to hold it? Oh. We just plug it back in here. Match everything up. Boom. There we go. And we still have no clue what this is. Just right there.
Do you want to clean that up with something, or you just gonna hug it in there dirty?
That might be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you got a nice new seal. Now you're gonna put that back on.
Yeah, yeah, that might be a good idea.
All
right, guys. So now that we got the good stuff, let's go grab our stuff that we need. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. We need to get this right here. We need a bunch of this. Gonna need to clean that off. And boom. And then keep that dry. Green Giant. Oh man. Guys, the green giant up close, and he is now a professional detailer, as you guys can see. So now we have it all cleaned off.
What's the deal with this, what do you call this, thermal conductor? Now, do we have to, see it right here? It has this adhesive. Do we have to glue it onto here?
Maybe.
All right, let's give
I don't
it
know.
a whirl and try to run these wires right.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
If you got this thing top and bottom.
Well, you see here, you have it right. Because
do you want the Recons so you can read it, or you want it upside down?
I mean, we could do it. I mean, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it upside down. Let's give it a new look, and I think it'll be a good abstract look. So I think people will love it. All right, guys. So then once you clean it off and everything, then you put the screws back in it. You get everything all lined up, and then screw it back in. Just a good plug and play. Alright guys, so now that's what it looks like on there. Like, look at that. Now that's a little sexy boy right there. Oh man, so now we gotta start screwing these off on both sides for these taillights. Get these Spyder boys on. We already got the Recon on. So yeah, just screw off both of these screws first, then we can start getting them off. Alright, now you take it off just like so, and ka-chow! Look at that 2005 rust. Oh man, beautiful. Alright guys. So yeah, basically there's the old lights. Oh, we got some Thomas Edison looking style stuff going on right now. Look at that. Oh, don't break it. Gosh dang. Yeah, we're smug looking boys. Alright, so there it is. Alright. So then basically you just plug and play, just like that.
And the bottom one just goes in.
And then the bottom one goes in there. We're gonna get LEDs soon. Alright, so now it's on there. Nice and shiny looking. Oh, there's a little bit of crap on it. We don't talk about that. But yeah, we're just gonna keep it in there because we're having really bad problems with this one because we got a rusted boy right here. He's having a tough time. So we gotta help him through his tough time and give him some WD-40. Sponsor us, please. Guys, so with a little bit of DIY, as you guys know, we are a DIY channel. We don't look at the instructions. No, I'm joking. The screw that we had decided to screw up.
We are gonna find some new ones.
Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna find a new one. And yeah, now we got them both on. Here we go. What do you think, Dad? Was that fun? Alright guys, now that we got it all on, it looks nice. I mean, the black look and everything, it works perfect with the truck. I mean, with the red and everything, it just pops, you know what I mean? What do you think?
I like it.
Oh man.
Especially them parking lights.
Yeah, you guys haven't found out about those yet. Actually, let's show you right now. Alright, boy. Here you go. Tell me what you guys think.
Let's see them running lights.
Alright guys, so now that we're all done with this, and basically we're going to be saying, this is going to be the end of the video. I mean, look at this stuff. Look at this. Alright, I think I got you. I got to give you guys a dramatic shot. I'll do a little zoom around the car, give you a little glimpse of what it looks like by itself. I mean, dang, look at those things. Look at them. Alright, here we go.
Wrong side. There you go. You could do.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, I mean, you can leave a like if you liked it, and if you disliked it, well, I mean, I guess you can do that. You can dislike the video. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry for not posting that one video I said I was gonna post, but I hope this helps, and you will have new videos coming out soon, as we have the front to do, and we got a little surprise with brake pads and brake rotors. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyways, peace out.